Assalamu alaikum students, I am your science teacher Imrana Tahir. We are at the chapter number 6, the particle model of matter. Before this we have done about the matter, the different concepts about the matter, the states of matter. The states of matters are solid, liquid, and gases. Today we will read about the change in the physical states of the matter. Here you can see the diagram. The solid in the form of ice. When we heat the ice, it change into liquid, and when we again heat the liquid, it change into the gas. This is the change in physical state of matter. I have given you worksheet. One worksheet you have to come label that worksheet. In this worksheet, you will see that here is a solid. When we heat the solid, it change into the liquid. And when again we boil the liquid, it change into the gases. And if we go the process of condensation mean when we cool the gas it change into again liquid, and when we freeze the liquid it change into the solid. Here you can see the topic melting. What is melting? Melting mean the change of the solid into liquid. When we heat the solid part, it undergo the process of melting and change into the liquid. So we have to learn the definition of the melting. When the solid change into the liquid, it is called melting. And what is melting point? द टेम्परेचर, ऐसा टेम्परेचर जिस पर सॉलिड लिक्विड में चेंज होना शुरू हो जाए, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. The next is freezing. Freezing. What is freezing? When the substances change the arrangement and the motion of particle is called freezing. For example, when we cool the liquid, जब हम किसी भी लिक्विड को फ्रीज़र में या बहुत कम टेम्परेचर पे कूल डाउन करते हैं, the attractive forces between the liquid particles become more stronger. लिक्विड आपस में कॉम्पैक्ट हो जाता है, क्लोज हो जाता है, एंड इट चेंज इनटू द सॉलिड. दिस इज कॉल्ड द फ्रीजिंग. द नेक्स्ट definition is boiling. What is boiling? When we heat the liquid, here you can see the diagram. When we heat the liquid, with the passage of time, the attractive forces between the liquid particles is weak, and these weakened forces convert the liquid into the gas. This process is called the boiling. Boiling में ये होता है कि जब हम मुसलसल लिक्विड को हीट करते रहते हैं, then the liquid change into the gases. The next term is condensation. Condensation क्या होता है? देखिए, when we heat the solid, जब हम सॉलिड को हीट करते हैं वो लिक्विड में चेंज होता है. when we heat the liquid it change into the gases. कंडेंसेशन क्या है? when we again cool the gas, जब हम गैस जो हमारे पास लिक्विड के बॉयल होने से आई थी, when we cool that gas it again change into the liquid. This process is called the condensation. Condensation is a process in which the gas particles come very close to each other and convert into the liquid. This process is called the condensation. The last term of this chapter is sublimation. What is sublimation? बेटा sometime हम solid को जब heat करते हैं तो वो heat होने के बाद डायरेक्ट उसको लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट होने के बजाय डायरेक्ट वेपर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द सब्लिमेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे ही हम वाटर को या हम आइस को हीट करते हैं तो वो लिक्विड में चेंज होती है, बट सम सब्सटेंसेस सच एज द अमोनियम क्लोराइड and solid carbon dioxide, when we heat these substances it directly change into the vapors. This process is called the sublimation. Sublimation में ड्राई आइस को जैसे ही हम हीट करते हैं वो सॉलिड कंडीशन में होती है, with the process of the heating, it directly change into the vapor. This is called the sublimation.